Hello friends, so today we are going to draw another
trick drawing using
a paper, a Sharpie and some colors.
So how do we keep our hand today? What do we exactly do? Okay, we keep our hands like this. Since we are unable to okay,
Let us draw it like the normal dog.
yes, very good, you are able to do it nicely. But let me do it for you.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
No, I want to.
Yeah, it's good, it's
No,
good.
but the
What?
mouth is not
It's
good.
perfect, Vijay, it's perfect. You just need to, we'll make it normal. No problem. The color will be you making it normal.
Please, I want to.
No, let us move on fast.
I want to. Please.
Let's move on fast.
I want to.
Come on, let's get started. Coloring. We are done with this drawing. That was a quick one.
And look at the eyes.
Wow. Okay, you also made the eyes?
Yeah.
Very good. Very, very, very good. So guys, did you enjoy this drawing? Parikshet, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Did you learn something new today?
Yeah.
Did you learn something new today? Yes, I know you learned. And do not forget to share.
Your kids drawing on Instagram. Hashtag KidsFunLearnClub and tag us all and rate KidsFunLearnClub.
See you in the next video. Have a good day.
Bye bye.